Welcome back and happy Friday, everybody. And every week we're joined by Phil Harding from Harding & Associates. And Phil, we hear all the time about expert witnesses, but today we're learning more about who they are and actually what they do.
Yeah, you know, during trials, everyone talks about expert witnesses. I'm going to go into what an expert is, how they're trained, how they're defined, and they range from anyone, right? Let's say you're involved in a car wreck. You're treating physicians, chiropractors, engineers. I've even had a brake technician endorsed and accepted as an expert, and he never testified as an expert before. So let's look at how experts are defined. Okay. Under CRE, which stands for the Colorado Rules of Evidence 702, and maybe we have a graphic here. If not, I can just tell you. Yep. All right. A witness qualified as an expert by knowledge, skill, expertise, training, or education may, and here's the important part, may testify in the form of an opinion. So if you have special training, knowledge, schooling, any of that, you get to talk about and give an opinion. For example, your doctors might say, hey, I think my guy is going to need this much treatment in the future. Engineers can say, this accident occurred, and because of that, I believe it's the other person's fault because they ran into him. And so that's an expert witness. A lay witness, right, which is most everyone.
Yeah, I was going to say, I would thinking like, you know, the top of the food chain, so to speak, but it could be anybody in that industry.
Well, no, a lay witness might be, let's say, your wife that comes in and testifies and said, oh, you know what, he's going through so much pain, and he wakes up in the middle of the night, only what they've seen and heard, right? But she can't say, and he's going to need treatment in the future. That would be stricken. Only an expert can give an opinion. That's the important part.
Gotcha. Don't listen to my wife. She's no expert. I'm just kidding. Yeah, do you have to travel around the world? I'm joking about my wife.
Right, of course.
I love you, Jordan. Yeah. So do you have to travel around the world to find an expert witness? You kind of explained that a little bit.
Yeah, most of the time you don't. But once I had this bike on, car accident, my guy had an MRI, had a CT, and afterwards they said, wait a second. The MRI and the CT doesn't show anything. So I went out to Vegas. I found the guy who tells boxers when they have to stop boxing. And he said, you got the wrong MRI. I'm like, there's different MRIs? And he's like, yeah. It's like a more megapixel camera. So it's like a 3T MRI. It has a stronger magnet. Did the X-ray and it showed this thing called contra coupe shearing. And after that, paid lots of money. Finally, let's look at one thing. And we've talked about this before. EDRs, event data recorders. Like 98% of all cars have it on.
Yes.
Here's just like one graph from an EDR. And you see this -5 down here. I can send this to anyone. That's 5 minutes or 5 seconds before an event, all the way up to 0, which is the event. And this graph shows the throttle, right? So here's the throttle of the engine. Here's a really cool part. Watch this. You see this red line right here? Well, that is someone's foot on the brake. They took the foot off the brake, and then you can see when they stepped on the accelerator, and that's what made the RPMs go up. And then finally, right here at the last second, 0.4 seconds before the accident, they jam on the brake. So you get so much data. You see if someone's seatbelt is on, did the airbag deploy? If it didn't deploy, why didn't it deploy? So if you're in an accident and they're contesting liability, right? The other side says, no, it's your fault. Pull the EDR. Get an engineer to come in and pull it. And it's not that expensive. Call an attorney, right, to get this stuff, but it's super important to get.
I don't know if you saw that new Netflix documentary that's out right now, but it kind of involves that black box that you were talking about. And it's a tragic story, but it involves exactly what you said. Thank you so much, Phil. Really appreciate it. Good knowledge. To reach Phil and Harding & Associates directly, just give them a call at 303-762-9500. You could get a free consultation anytime, and you could learn more at hlaw.com. Phil, thanks again for coming in and sponsoring this segment.